It may finally be happening, guys. Screw the FUD. I am on the edge of my seats right now. After over 2 long years of waiting, there's been a very, very big update in regards to the SEC v Ripple lawsuit. As you can see here, John Deaton even said that the ruling could come tonight. And due to this fact, 364 million XRP has been moved amidst the new ruling in the Ripple lawsuit. This is going to be a massive, massive video, guys. And if you don't want to miss out on all future XRP updates, then smash that like button down below and subscribe to the channel with the post notification bell turned on. Now, before I get into the updates surrounding the lawsuit, let's quickly have a look at the market for XRP and how these updates have affected its market. So for starters, we can see that today XRP's value has increased by a total of 1.27%, and now XRP is valued above that key level support at the 37 cent region and is now valued at the 37.42 cent, which is very good indeed. But this is still very, very undervalued for XRP, guys. However, do I believe that XRP is going to start its bullish pump right now? Well, in my personal opinion, although I'm not a financial advisor and it's not financial advice, I think we still got to hold off a little bit longer, and I would wait to invest into XRP. As it stands right now, we're still going through this ABC correction path right here, and this update with the SEC lawsuit has caused a much needed pump in XRP's market. However, there's still no definite ruling just now. We are being told that it should be given to us within the next 2 weeks. So it's very likely that XRP's price will stabilise and consolidate in this direction for a little while longer, but I still believe that XRP's value will drop into this golden zone right here, which is the best time to buy into XRP, although I'm still hoping and holding for XRP to reach into this green buy area that I've drawn out here between the 36 cent region and the 33.5 cent region before I put my money into XRP, as I believe XRP's value can indeed drop down this far, and hopefully by that point we will have a more definitive ruling on the XRP lawsuit, which will then see XRP's price skyrocket in value. And also, due to this massive hype and updates surrounding the Ripple lawsuit, the whales of XRP moved approximately 135 million USDT worth of XRP over crypto exchanges, which is absolutely insane, guys. It seems that the whales and bulls of XRP are ready to pounce, guys, and make their insane gains. Now, onto the bulk of this video, the important part, the updates surrounding this lawsuit. US District Judge Annalisa Torres issued a much anticipated ruling on the party's motion to preclude expert testimony in the XRP lawsuit. However, the main question here still remains on when will the court announce a summary. Well, John Deaton gave his opinion on this, that he said that he seriously doubts that we'll see any significant delay from here. Could be tonight or in a couple of weeks. So there's no set date right now on when the verdict will be given. But because of this massive step taken in this lawsuit by Judge Torres, John Deaton says he doesn't believe that there'll be much delay from here, and we could see an update within the next 2 weeks. So this month in March could be a big one for XRP. But of course, this update, followed by John Deaton's opinion on when the ruling will officially be given, has caused a lot of hype around the XRP coin again, which is why we saw XRP's price pump up in value. So it is indeed possible, should the ruling be given any day now, that XRP's price will skyrocket in value. But I personally believe that XRP can still reach this golden zone at the very least before the verdict is given, which is when it would be a good time to buy and invest into XRP. And it's also very important and worth a mention that Eleanor Terrett, journalist at Fox Business, mentioned that it is important to note that the US SEC staff lawyers tried to ban XRP holders' lawyer through Judge Torres. They tried to remove John Deaton. However, the court didn't follow up with the agency and ruled that expert duty shouldn't testify about the XRP holders. So the real question is this a win for Ripple? Well, the community seems to believe that it was, and I'd also care to agree with you guys, but from the looks of it, neither side gets everything it asked for in its ruling, and the judge granted in part and denied in part for both Ripple's and the SEC's motions. But the reason that the community believes this is such a massive win for Ripple and XRP is because the SEC has to prove that you had a reasonable expectation of profits from Ripple's efforts, and the judge just struck the SEC's only expert witness on the subject. So now, how the heck can the SEC prove reasonable reliance and who will testify? So now, with the SEC having any reliable, reasonable witnesses, it does seem that the balance has tipped in favour of XRP. And as you can see here, John Deaton said that the SEC lawyers tried to get Judge Torres to bar John Deaton from participating in this case. But instead, she not only did not ban John Deaton, but she agreed with him that the expert duty should not testify on behalf of XRP holders. And also you could argue that this was a close win for Ripple on a purely mathematic basis, as you can see here with the motions of granted and denied from testifying and remainder. Ripple had a 40% success rate with granted, whereas SEC had a 35% success rate. Yes, the SEC was granted more on the testimony, but from a percentage perspective, Ripple actually won this. And it's absolutely incredible that in the past 15 to 20 minutes, there's been just a flat out dunk fest on the SEC. Where the judge said to the SEC, did you mention any of this publicly before Friday? You yourself just said you don't know. Is a debater supposed to read the SEC's mind? Well, of course not. The SEC are not handling things by the book. And it seems that if the SEC don't get it together, we can see this happen in tons of cases. Failure to provide language that the common world will understand. Genza thinks we're all mind readers, or that the law is clear, but it is not. It is not black and white, guys. So yeah, absolutely insane stuff, guys. Like I said, I'm on the edge of my seats, and I cannot wait to see how the development of this case will proceed. But let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Do you think XRP has what it takes to pump? Do you think the lawsuit update verdict will be revealed with us in the next 2 weeks or so, like John did instead? And are you guys going to be buying and investing into XRP? But just for the record, I'm not a financial advisor, and there's not financial advice, so please do trade at your own discretion. I'm only stating my views based off of my own research. But otherwise, if you want to keep up to date and all the hottest new crypto coins that could blow up and make you the most gains possible, then please feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell as well. Like the video, drop a comment down below on your thoughts on what coin you'd like to see next. But remember, guys, it's just a coin, and I'll see you in the next video.